Good morning and welcome to Miss Wordy. Today I will be editing my fashionista since 1995 keychain. So as you can see, this is my old description and it is wordy and the sentences, they don't flow well. So I'm going to shorten the description and make it less wordy so it can flow better. So here I'm just typing the new description. A keychain with style and flair, this design features bright and colorful high heel shoes on a pink background. And I like to go back and forth and look at the keychain to get inspiration for words to write. And I'm just thinking about things as I type. The bottom reads fashionista since 1995. So I add a couple of words. Which you can customize as you wish. Personalize your keychain today. So I delete the old design, the old description, and make a couple of last minute edits. Okay, and I'm finished.